Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the basics of artificial intelligence, AI. This is Sanju S. Anand from Anand Inspire. So first we will go through the basic definition of AI. So what is AI? AI means artificial intelligence. So it is the field of computer science that focus on creating systems that capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and decision making. So everybody knowing about artificial intelligence, it is a new current trend. So this is one basic definition. It have many definitions are there. So here it is telling that it focus on creating system capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So human brain or human have some intelligence is there. So that intelligence we will applying on machines. So that is called artificial intelligence. So these tasks include some terms. First one is learning, reasoning, problem solving skill, perception. Perception means some senses capturing input from environment and working based on that. Then language understanding, different people speaking different languages, that is understanding by the machine. And decision making. So machine have the skill to take decision on different tasks. So this is the basic definition of artificial intelligence. So some formal definitions are also included based on AI. So for the best definitions about AI are, first one is in 1956, the father of AI, his name is called John McCarthy. 1957, he is a mathematician that one conference or workshop handled. That time he telling that the first word, what is machine intelligence? He telling that the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, that is called artificial intelligence. In very long before 1956, first time that word is announced by the father of AI. His name is called John McCarthy. Second one definition, it is new in 1995. Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig written one book about AI, a modern approach. This book is very popular in artificial intelligence. That time and also nowadays, new versions are released. So this book written by these two peoples. So they will telling that one another definition of AI in their book. It is called AI is the study of agents that receive perspect from the environment and perform actions to achieve goals. So what is it meaning? So some goals with the help of some machines or computer or some electronic device, we will getting some goals. So that goal is achieved by some sensors are there. That sensors collecting information from the environment. Based on that input, it do some task or achieve some goals. So that is the definition. So AI is the study of agents that receive perspective from the environment and perform actions to achieve some task or goals. Then the famous company, the old company in computer industry, the IBM, one definition, IBM definition about AI is AI leverages computers and machines to mimic the problem solving and decision making capability of the human mind. So computer or machines taking the same property like a decision making skill normal a human being have decision making skill is there. The same skill achieving by machines, it is called another definition of AI. So this definition is built by IBM. So these are some formal definitions about AI. Next one is AI can be categorized into two main types. So AI mainly classified into two type. One is called narrow AI, another name is called weak AI. Another second one is general AI or strong AI. So what is mean by narrow AI or weak AI? It is designed for specific tasks such as voice assistant. Example, currently you are using Alexa like voice assistants, recommender systems, Netflix, Spotify or Facebook, videos or audios, suggestions coming, that is called recommendation systems, and image recognition. It operates with a limited context and does not possess general intelligence. So nowadays, for last 5 years, we are also part of AI in our social media and related many applications. Small AI tools are implemented, already existed. That type of small integration of AI parts in our main application, that is called weak AI or narrow AI. So AI is there, but its use is limited. So that type is classified into narrow AI or weak AI. Second one is called a general AI or strong AI. It is a theoretical approach that would possess human-like intelligence capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks. This type of AI is on emerging. So, general AI or strong AI means a machine getting the capability of same like human brain. So all researchers or developers trying to achieve that goal with the help of artificial intelligence, machine learning. So we are on that area or this era for next 5 years. Sometimes we will reaching that goal. Same power of human brain achieved by machine or robot. So that is called the general AI or strong AI. So it is classified into two main types, narrow AI or weak AI, general AI or strong AI. So next slide, some common characteristics of AI systems are telling that. So it is a general characteristics of AI like machines. First one is called learning. Second is reasoning. Third one is perception. And fourth one is language. So these terms are everywhere we are using in AI or machine learning like task. So learning means AI system can learn from data and experience and improve their performance over time. So everything needed learning. Our human brain also needed learning. As a child, a small age, he or she learning or experiencing some new things and storing their memory, and next years more experience getting, then that experience teaching the new things. So same here also applying in artificial intelligence, learning is the main thing here, but we are using input is data. Based on data, some algorithms are there, tuning that algorithms, then some result getting, then after that more data is including training giving, then experience is increasing, improving the output, then performance also improving over the time. So that is called learning. Second is called reasoning. AI systems can use logic and reasoning to solve problems and make decisions. So our main task is solving different critical problems and taking some decisions, same like human brain. Human brain means any different situation coming, human brain can take based on that particular decision. So same power is achieving or given to machines, that is called reasoning power, logical thinking, reasoning, that like is skills implementing into machines by the help of algorithms or training. Okay. Third one is called perception. AI systems can preserve the world around them through sensors and other input. So example is robot. So robot, how many sensors are there? Mainly using cameras are there, different motion sensors are there. So these are input collecting devices. So perception means some external sensors using and collecting the information. Based on that collecting information is given as an input. So that input collecting and input given to some models and it is given some result. So that is called a perception. Based on environment, some sensors collecting the input information. Based on that input information, task is performing. That is called a perception. Last one is language. AI systems can understand and generate human language. Example is ChatGPT. Many LLM tools are there. So we will type in English language or French language, German language, or any Indian languages. So it will give the result also in that particular language. So any language you are typing, the system can recognizing the language and that input and give the proper output. So that is called a language. Any language machine can understood and give the reply. So these are the common characteristics of AI systems: learning, reasoning, perception, and understanding different human languages. So some applications of AI is telling in this slide. Many applications are commonly using nowadays, but here we have discussing only some particular things only. So mostly using nowadays are one is healthcare industry, finance, transportation industry, and entertainment. So you knowing these things, AI is used for diagnosing diseases, developing new treatments, and personalizing medicine. So AI commonly using nowadays in disease related studies, mainly in medical industry like cancer, many diseases, and MRI images, then scanning images, new treatments based on DNA, and also medicine development. So many area healthcare sector in hospital and also this AI is using. Next is financial sector. AI is used for things like fraud detection, email spam, risk management, and algorithmic trading. So in finance sector means stock market changes, analyzing the stock. So these type of studies, different data analysis needed. So financial sector and also email related email related spam, filtering the spams, and also cyber security related things. It commonly using. Third one is transportation. AI is used for things like self-driving car, traffic management, and logistics. So logistic industry is one of the top business industry. So many software is already running last 15-20 years in logistics. But nowadays, AI also integrated with this logistic software. It will give more power thinking, reasoning, and also uh, logistic related whatever movements is nowadays very fastly and different transportation area is there, mainly air sector, ship. So the like area also AI coming. So everything is very fastly going. Then self-driving car. You have knowing many developed countries nowadays using self-driving cars. So this type of cars also AI fully integrated. Then traffic management or area also one application. Then entertainment industry, AI is used for things like video games, movies, music. So every app related things now AI is part. It is partially integrated, but next 1 or 2 years fully integrated with the all apps. So that is the full change or strong AI. Third one is called machine learning. So this is a new trend in computer science, AI related thing, machine learning. So machine have gives some learning power. So two types of learning is there. Three types of learning is there: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Next slides we will thoroughly discuss about what it is: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So supervised means Models, training models, how label is there. So in any input data giving, that input data given to the system, each one telling it is this one labeled. Example, flower. So flower, hibiscus flower is given as an input. So that 1,000 images are there. That 1,000 images labeled it as hibiscus. Then sunflower 1,000 images are given. It is labeled it as sunflower. So labeling is there for understanding the machine. So that is called supervised learning. Next one is unsupervised learning. So unsupervised meaning is there is no label, unlabeled data is there. But here what using is patterns. Unsupervised learning means finding the pattern. So every data have some pattern is there. So that pattern matching is checking here. So that type of learning method is called unsupervised learning. Third one is called reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning means training models through trial and error to maximize reward. So reinforcement is commonly some games we will using trial and error method. So trial and error method success means some reward 10 point is given. Next time next level achieving 20 reward is giving. Third level reaching means 30 point reward is given. So this type of trial and error method accuracy increasing model is tuning and finding a best result. So more training giving more trial and error method giving reward is increasing, then the model tuning high levels and it is called the reinforcement learning. So in machine learning, mainly three methods are there: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. The another one term that is called a neural network and deep learning. So the basics of AI, we will just knowing about these terms. Next teaching classes, we will thoroughly discuss about what is AI, what is convolution neural network, what is RNN. So these terms are very familiar terms in AI related study. First one is artificial neural network. It is inspired by human brain used for complex pattern recognition. Same like our memory, our human brain, many lakhs of neurons are there. So same like a neuron mechanism or power is implementing to machine, that word is called artificial neural network, ANN. Next one is convolution neural network. It is specialized for image and video processing. So it will have many layers are there. Many layers are there, some hidden layers are there. So this type of layers combine together to form CNN. Third one is recurrent neural network. It is used for sequential data like time series and natural language. So time series or real-time data analysis we have using commonly RNN. It full form is a recurrent neural network. These three models commonly using in AI studies. Then another thing is natural language processing. It is also one important parts of AI. So natural language means NLP. Short form is NLP. Many research is going on last 10 years in NLP. So what here doing is text analysis and speech recognition. Text analysis means understanding and processing human language. So in the ChatGPT prompt, we are typing some questions. Then the question is understanding by the machine and give proper result. So that is called a text analysis. Another one is called a speech recognition. Speech recognition means converting the spoken languages into text. So in different LLM models, ChatGPT or Copilot or Gemini or DeepSeek, any LLM models we will give in our own language. In voice recognition, we will asking something. Then the system is recognizing our question in voice based and give the result. So that is called as understanding the speech and give the result in voice. That is called as speech recognition. Then next term is called robotics. It is an old term, but nowadays it is very famous because robotic studies now in peak level because AI is integrated with the robotics. Robotics means human power getting robot is emerging like a human brain, same thinking skill. So that is robotics. Here also perception, using many sensors, understanding the environment. A robot is behaving same like as a human. Then we will telling that AI is in strong AI. Is it correct? So next a few years it reaching that goal. Next is motion planning, determining the best path to achieve a goal. So Google Map. So Google Map, old Google Map have just to give the route, but nowadays AI also integrated with the Google Map. So different route is providing from source to destination wherever traffic is less. So that route switching is possible. Many other AI related capability achieved by Google Map. So that is called a motion planning. Third one is control systems, ensuring robot perform tasks accurately and efficiently. It meaning is many control systems, IoT like engineering machines, many equipments connecting together to form a control machine. Not only computer, many other computer related or connecting equipment, sensors, then printers, other home equipments. These all are connecting together in a network and forming an AI related capability that is called the control systems. Many tasks is performing. Then seventh, the last one is ethics and philosophy. So we will always talking about AI. The ethics of AI is coming. Ensuring AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. Philosophical questions addressing the implementation of AI on society and human intelligence. So ethics and philosophy means many companies developing AI tools. It is for human living things are flexible. So that is our main motto or human-like power given by robot. So that ethics is important for humans better life giving or not. That type of many things are there. Some illegal human disease related studies going on in with the help of DNA. So it is ethic or not. So many international discussions are going on based on these type of AIs affecting human life. It is good or bad. So these all are come under ethics and philosophy. So these are the